Hello everyone, and welcome to a short demonstration video again about Inbox AI, and this time in combination with Apple Notes. So Apple Notes is a little bit different to get working, but it's not very difficult in order to get up and running. So first let's go and see how it actually works. So going into these actions, we have Apple Notes, and one of the things you notice is that you need to install one of the shortcuts to get this to work. So let's start by clicking the Create Note. We're going to add that shortcut, and we're also going to do the same for the append to note. I'm going to install both shortcuts in order to get things working. Next up, in order to get the append to note working, you need to have an actual note. So let's create a test node here, and let's create a node called test, and then these both should work. So this is a create a new node, and this is the name of the node to append to. If you want to rename the shortcuts, you can just fill in the new name here. Next up, we're going to test this out using an audio command. So we're going to go into the process audio. What we're going to do is we're going to add, let's start with the create node and the append to node. And then we're ready to go. When we press the hotkey, can you create a note for me in Apple Notes about the Roman Empire? Now, this should run the shortcut. In the first time, you'll get this allow. Let's do always allow. And there you see the Roman Empire. Now let's see if we can actually create something and add it to the test. Hey, can you add something to Apple Notes about the Roman Empire? We wait, and it added a full note. Sorry, let's try it again. And let's say, can you append something to my notes about the Roman Empire? And it's quite tricky, of course. It says append here, and there we go. And it actually did the right thing. So in this case, you can see the basics. Now, of course, if you want this, for instance, to be something that the AI can actually choose, that's easy to change. So in that case, you could edit the action, go to edit variables, and make the note an AI variable. And in that case, you can actually instruct the AI to add it to specific notes. But for now, I think this is enough to see the possibilities. Of course, this is just one. You can do it with voice commands. You can capture information about screenshots and add it into Apple Notes, or process emails and add that into specific notes on the topic. I hope that this will be a brief introduction into how to get Inbox AI running with Apple Notes.